this has got a bit weak over the years. It keeps on falling down, so what I've done is I've pushed it all the way high so it won't drop. Oh, look at that. We've got 2 pairs. I think we got this for 20 bucks for 2. TORA Australia. This is what I guess strut. It's a pair. So let's have a look what's inside. Oops. Take this one out. There we go. Okay, take that out. Pretty good. We'll do it. So let's put the stick back on so we can work on that. So knowing that, it should be easy then. We'll just have to go and pop that fella out. Screwdriver. There we go. So what we'll do first, we're gonna pop this fella in first. Shouldn't be that difficult. Pop, went in. And over here, we'll just angle it. It fits. So this time, take that. So that's all good. And we just pop it in. Well, there you go. As easy as that. So the heroes of the day, you need this screwdriver to take that metal thing out. Well, if you need to, then you use this spanner to do that. And it's all a matter of just popping it out. Oh, that was easy. Oh, first time lucky then. So let's have a look. I'm just gonna close it now. Oh, there you go, good as new. So this is how you change the gas strut to the back of your i30 hatch. So hopefully this video will save you a couple of dollars from going to the mechanic. Cost me about 20 bucks or so, get it for 25. And just a bit of effort. If you like this video, you can consider watching all our other videos for other life skills that we've done. And yeah, you can consider giving us a thumbs up, or if you like, you can buy us a coffee. Link is in the description below. Thanks guys.